D23121, D23121. Ford F-350 Lariat Super Duty Power Stroke Diesel 2000. Checkered flag edition. Super crew. Super comfortable. A lot of truck. Last 4 trailer hitch receiver. Ford bedliner. Pass-through rear window. Rear bed cap spoiler. Chrome running boards. Truck looks great. Well cared for, 6-passenger with tan leather. Special Panasonic radio. Look at the extra pictures at 419cars.com for additional information about that. Conscientious about the upkeep. They got the slush guard mats. Tremendous amount of room. Comfort too. Good and bad credit welcome. 419cars.com.